gathering data on paper airplanes. And we're looking to see whether there's a relationship between the type of paper airplane you make and the distance you throw it. So the kids made two types of planes. They made one out of regular paper and one out of cardstock paper. And they followed the same design for both planes, so that way the design of the planes would be as similar as possible. Then in the hallway, they threw the paper airplanes 3 times. Each type got 3 throws, and then we found the average of that. And the ultimate goal is to look and see whether there's a relationship between the type of paper the airplane's made out of and the distance that you can throw it. Ultimately, we're going to start putting things into Fathom, which is a computer program that we use in AP Statistics, and we're going to start looking at scatter plots, start looking at the relationship between the type of paper and the distance that it's thrown, start talking about can you make a prediction about how far a cardstock plane might go if you know how far the regular plane would go, assuming the same person's throwing both of them. Eventually it will lead us into some other things like confounding variables, because some kids were expert throwers and some kids were not. The speed or the strength at which you throw the airplane might make a difference. Does cardstock respond better to a hard throw versus a soft throw? What about the walls that got hit, the ceiling that got hit? All these different things are things that we're going to talk about. It's basically just a fun way to go about gathering data that we can then do some interesting things with and start analyzing it.